VK Sashikala is heading back home. She's currently en route Chennai. Her entry is set to be a game changer for Tamil Nadu politics ahead of the assembly polls. Now, Sashikala is expected to reach Chennai by 8 p.m. She was once again seen in a clear message to the AIADMK travelling with the AIADMK flag atop her vehicle. Her use of the party flag is the main friction point right now between Sashikala and the AIADMK, with the party claiming that she has absolutely no right to use the party flag because she's no longer in the party. Now, the Tamil Nadu police has issued a circular. If the AIADMK flag is used, action will be taken. But Sashikala clearly is unfazed by all of these developments following a complaint being filed by the AIADMK with the police against Sashikala using that flag. AIADMK claims that she's using the AIADMK party name and flag to defame their party. AMMK cadre, Sashikala, remember, as part of the Amma Makkal Munnetra Karagam, they've lined up all along the way from Bengaluru to Chennai to give her a royal welcome. Arrangements have been made by her party cadre to welcome her at 56 different locations in Tamil Nadu. Ahead of her arrival, security has been beefed up in the state as a threat of a showdown looms large. Ruling AIADMK has so far lodged 2 complaints of police claiming threat of violence from Sashikala supporters upon her arrival, and earlier on the use of the AIADMK flag, as I mentioned.
That's VK Sashikala leaving from Bengaluru here. She's using AIADMK flag on the same car that she came out of the prison here. That's the car 3377. You can see Sashikala is to her left wearing a green sari, waving at her followers, and you can see the entourage of car also. The Tamil Nadu police had recently said she cannot use the flag on the car, but however she is using it, and this is a strong message. She is there alone in the car with one person in the background. Her supporters have gathered in huge number. Let me show you the entourage of cars which is coming out of the resort, and almost every car has the AIADMK flag here, and it's around 30-40 cars just coming out of the resort, and on the outside the resort also there were another 40-50 cars. So totally at least around 60 to 100 cars which will be travelling from Bangalore itself have started towards Chennai. Sashikala is expected to reach Chennai by 6 to 7 p.m. today, where there will be a grand reception and the politics will begin ahead of the election season in Tamil Nadu. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.
Let's also get you this report filed by Pramod Madhav, my colleague in Chennai, from the AIADMK headquarters, where security has been beefed up now.
As Sashikala leaves from the resort to Chennai, this is the condition in front of AIADMK headquarters. Barricades everywhere, police presence has been increased. In fact, you could see that the doors of the headquarters are not even open yet. Officials in that area claim that they will open it in some time, or only when the office bearers reach the spot. It's pretty strange because this place, normally the doors used to be open around 7:30 a.m. in the morning itself, and it is like really strange to find it this way. But this is a kind of situation at this spot. Several locations in Chennai, including Jaya Memorial, the Poets Garden, Jayalalitha's residence, police presence has been increased in that area. And even at this spot, this is AIADMK headquarters, you could see that special CCTV cameras have also been placed in this area. Lots and lots of barricades on either side of the road. The police claim that this is just precautionary measure to make sure that they will avoid crowding. But it also looks like certain elements are being also analyzed at this spot, and that's the reason such precautions are taken right in front of AIADMK headquarters. With camera person Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
Let's get you also a live update from the ground. Nolan Pinto is joining us live from Hosur, which is on the Tamil Nadu-Karnataka border. Nolan, good morning. Give us a sense of the kind of preparations by AMMK cadre from Hosur. We understand at different points there'll be a grand welcome for Sashikala.
Well, good morning, Akshita. In fact, I'm exactly at the Karnataka-Tamil Nadu border. Let me just show you the preparations that have taken place over here. First of all, it's chock-a-block traffic. This is the reason. The reason being, I'm going to ask my camera person, Madhu, to actually pan and show you the number of supporters as well as the police, in fact, who have actually turned up over here. So you have You have flags across all around on the median. You have the police in large numbers and also supporters and a lot of music over here. They're brought in. It is a day of celebration, in fact, for her supporters that she's finally entering hometown. Basically, she's entering Tamil Nadu. But Akshita, it's going to be a full day today. What we're told is that in Hosur, there are about some 3 points over here where she'll be welcomed. Then again, next into Krishnagiri, some 4 other places. So every place, there are some 53 locations from hers along her route where her supporters have planned grand celebrations. And after that, when she reaches Chennai also, there are 7 points over there where there are celebrations. So it's going to be a huge grand welcome for her. However, what we are also hearing, now my colleague Nagarjun very clearly spoke about how she's still using the official flag and logo of the AIADMK. Our sources tell us that once she arrives or basically reaches the Tamil Nadu border over here, once she crosses Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, the police might just remove that particular flag. So we have to wait and see what really happens.
All right, Nolan, thank you for that update.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.